Match number 2 of IPL 2020 features the Delhi Capitals and the Kings 11 Punjab. Let's build our fantasy team then on my 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket Info. I'm Ronak Kapoor. Joining me shortly, Sanjay Manjrekar and Akash Chopra. Right, let's go to our pro tip before I go to our guests. And we're going for the dependency that Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul tend to give. They're consistent IPL performers. And at the beginning of the tournament, when so many things are uncertain, हमारा ख्याल है कि हम KL Rahul और शिखर धवन को ज्यादा बैक करें. इसी के साथ साथ आकाश चोपड़ा on his birthday and Sanjay Manjrekar at the time of recording. A very happy birthday to Akash. So maybe we'll come to you first, even though Sanjay is the senior statesman. What do you make of our
happy birthday, Akash?
Thank you so much. Thanks, Sanjay. Thanks, Ronak. And I think you're absolutely right. When you talk about these two guys, KL Rahul, from a very fantasy point of view, he also is a stroke maker. He's a boundary hitter. So he'll give you more points. He is reliable. He bats full 20 overs. And he's shown before at least the lockdown, etc., the extraordinary circumstances that enveloped all of us. He was an absolute purple patch was continuing. He was in a great form, so you should go with him. He is your runaway match winner, run scorer in Kings 11 Punjab. But when you look at Delhi Capitals also, Shikhar Dhawan was growing in stature as a T20 cricketer in 2020, end of 2019. So I'm absolutely with you that these two guys should be your bankers.
Sanjay, quick thoughts on that pro tip. I think KL Rahul, a lot of our viewers would be thinking, yeah, he's a sure shot. Shikhar Dhawan tends to polarize opinions sometimes when it comes to 2020.
Yeah, but can't disagree too much with the birthday boy, so I'm going to let that one go.
Fair enough. So everything that you want from Sanjay and Akash on our pro tip. And let's see how many players feature in our team. Let's go to our team. Before that, quick reminder to all our viewers on the My 11 Circle Fantasy app, 100 credits to build your fantasy team. 4 categories of players to choose from: batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers, and all-rounders. You can pick a maximum of 7 players from one team in any contest. 4 substitutes that will help you pick as well. And every player's individual credit value is listed on the app. Let's go to our top picks. Our captain choice, like I said, KL Rahul. He's done very well and he's done very little wrong as a batsman for the King 11 Punjab at the top of the order. And we know the numbers in T20 cricket. He's arguably India's best T20 batsman as far as the numbers go. An average of over 50, strike rate of over 140 when it comes to 38 innings since 2019 in T20 cricket. Vice captain choice, Shikhar Dhawan, dependable. You heard Sanjay and Akash as well. He's managed to go over 500 runs with a strike rate of 135.68 last season. So he did prove a few critics wrong, and we're backing Shikhar Dhawan as vice captain. Top picks include Rishabh Pant and Mujibur Rahman as well. Pant is someone who's a different player in the IPL. So we are backing him with the kind of strike rate that he has, over 160, and still managed to score nearly 500 runs last season. Mujibur Rahman, after a dream CPL features, he's got 16 wickets in 11 games, economy of just 5.29. And you've got Kagiso Rabada as well, rated so highly and such a big player for the Delhi Capitals. Managed 25 wickets last season in 12 games. He was pretty much the standout pacer in last year's IPL. So quick reminder, Rahul is captain, Dhawan is vice captain, Rishabh Pant, Mujibur Rahman and Kagiso Rabada. Sanjay, happy with that?
Yeah, very happy. I think Pant is obviously somebody that you want to back. He hits the 4s and 6s, so you get points on that as well. Mujib is a game changer. He's one of the bowlers the opposition will always think, isse batke rehna, isko out nahi hona. And Rabada, in one of our previous shows, I've already given him the purple cap. So yeah, good picks.
Akash, thoughts?
No, I agree with Sanjay. This is the show of, I think, agreements. But I'll add one more name to the list, is Shreyas Iyer. Because Iyer, as a batsman, is once again growing in stature. He'll be batting at 3. And he has shown that he's got the game to play against fast bowling and also against spin. So somebody who's batting at 3, captain of the side with responsibility, I would also put him as one of the high quality picks. Of course, it comes at a lot of credits, but then take your chances.
Akash, with due respect, because it's your birthday today, I'm just wondering whether that is going to be the batting order, because they might be tempted, because they've got Rahane now, that Rahane might bat at number 3 and Shreyas Iyer at 4. Is that at all possible?
I don't think that Rahane actually will feature in the playing 11. So if you know Ricky Ponting well, and if he's as ruthless as he was as a captain earlier, he wouldn't go with reputations. He'll go with someone who he thinks is the right choice. And not to forget, they've got संजय भाई केरी भी है, स्टोइनिस भी है, हेटमायर भी है, ये सारे मतलब if you put Rahane at 3, then your batting order goes for a toss. Then you have no
So
place
actually,
for
what
a
happens
lot of
is it
wicketers.
actually gives you a little more depth because you get Shreyas Iyer at number 4, then you have Pant at 5, and then you can push in somebody like a Hetmeyer at 6. So the batting looks a little deeper, and there is explosion at number 6. If Rahane doesn't play, then you have Iyer coming at 3, and then you have Pant at 4, and then it looks a little deeper with Rahane. But I'm with you. Ideally, you'd rather have somebody like a Shimron Hetmeyer because when you pick Rahane, you've got to play him in the top 3, and a year earlier in the better.
All right, let's move on. That was riveting. Thank you, gentlemen. Let's move to our differential player picks, and these are players that we think would be out of the box selections. And I'd like to hear what Sanjay and Akash make of this after I've read out their numbers, because will they feature in the 11? Sarfaraz Khan first up. We know he's an exciting talent, and if he's given a run of opportunities, he can produce the odd knock that stands out. Strike rate of 125 last season in 5 innings and 180 runs. So keep an eye out for Sarfaraz Khan. Ishan Porel is the other one, the seamer from the under-19 India team that made it to the Punjab side, and let's see if he manages a slot in the final 11. But these are our two differential player choices, Sarfaraz Khan and Ishan Porel. Looking at our full team, Rahul and Pant, Dhawan, Iyer, Sarfaraz and Mayank Agarwal, Glenn Maxwell, Ishan Porel, R. Ashwin, Mujibur Rahman, Kagiso Rabada. The substitutes, Akshar Patel, Nicholas Puran, Prithvi Shaw and Chris Jordan. Akash, happy with that team? Any other suggestions or swaps that you'd like to suggest to our viewers?
If I were to make one change, though I agree with a lot of picks, and these picks are also determined by the number of credits that you have. So if you're picking high-profile players, then you're losing a lot of credits. So Ishan Porel, in place of Ishan Porel, I'll actually have Ravi Bishnoi. The young leg spinner, under 19 kid, under Anil Kumble. I think he might just have a bigger say. People haven't seen him, and he's his quality. So I'll have him in place of Ishan Porel. Rest is fine.
Sanjay, your last views. Nicholas Puran, such a highly rated player among our substitutes. Would you be tempted to put him in the team?
Yes. Whether they actually play or whether they prefer Gale is another thing to look at. But yes, Puran is somebody that I've always backed, although I've made a comment before saying that the West Indian players may not make as much of an impact on UAE pitches. Nothing much to argue there. But Akshar Patel is somebody I would have perhaps picked because he's going to get a game and he'll contribute with both bat and ball. So I don't know.
All right. Thank you very much to Sanjay Manjrekar and Akash Chopra. Plenty more from them as the IPL has only just begun. Make sure you look at the toss and the playing 11s and then confirm your final teams at the early stages of the IPL. We'll be back with plenty more data analysis and expert opinion to help you pick your fantasy team on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket 4.